Microsoft Project is one of the most powerful tools for project management, enabling professionals to organize, track, and manage their projects efficiently. However, if not correctly used, the software can lead to plans with unintended consequences, resulting in project delays, budget overruns, and resource mismanagement. A project's success often hinges on how well Microsoft Project is set up initially. Its functionality can automate many scheduling and resource management tasks, but incorrect configurations can propagate errors throughout the project lifecycle. Recognizing the importance of proper setup can prevent miscalculations, unrealistic schedules, and resource conflicts. To assist with the setup details, PPC Group offers a comprehensive 12-page PDF booklet with settings that will work across all Microsoft Project versions. Many of these steps need only be carried out once, after which most future projects can use them. And you can access this booklet in our store at accidentalpm.online/store. Let's look at some critical tips for setup and for execution. Number one, add project critical success factors as milestones. Critical success factors, or CSFs, are the essential elements that must be achieved for a project to succeed. Adding these as milestones at the top of your project plan keeps key objectives visible throughout the project. To add milestones, create tasks with zero duration. This ensures they do not affect computations, but remain in the project for reference and tracking. If desired, you can set specific dates for each CSF, but including them at project startup is often better. Number two, incorporate the task type column. Understanding task types is crucial to prevent unintended scheduling adjustments. Project calculates schedules based on three primary task types: fixed work, fixed duration, and fixed units. To avoid miscalculations, add the task type column to the entry table. This gives clear insight into which factors remain constant when changes occur. Navigate to the View tab, select Tables, and customize the entry table to display task type. Manually scheduled tasks have similar shortcomings. Use setup to ensure tasks are automatically scheduled by default. Looking at options, scheduling options for this project, and use manual scheduling sparingly. Number three, display the column of work. The work column shows the total effort required to complete a task, providing visibility into the relationship between work, duration, and units. By adding this column, you gain clarity on how adjustments in one element influence the others. Right-click the column header in the Gantt chart view, choose Insert Columns, and select Work, or customize it as we did in the last tip. This can help prevent overallocations and unrealistic expectations. It also allows the flexibility of providing estimates as either duration or work. Number four, enable the project summary task. The project summary task provides an overview of the entire project. This task rolls up all project tasks, displaying overall statistics such as total duration and cost. To enable it, go to the Format tab, locate the Show Hide group, and check the project summary task buttons. This feature gives project managers a holistic view and facilitates better tracking and reporting. Number five, keep the question mark for durations. Project uses question marks by default to indicate tentative durations. This feature serves as a checklist for incomplete tasks, reminding users to confirm final durations later. Avoid turning this off as it highlights areas needing further review. Additionally, remember that adding resources automatically halves the estimated duration. While this may be okay for less time critical projects, it often doesn't reflect reality for more complex projects. Those with the tight timelines should focus on making necessary adjustments. Concept known as double resources, estimated duration, or DREAD outlines 6 possible outcomes, and it's critical to keep this in mind when finalizing task schedules. Now let's look at some tips for advanced techniques and improved planning. Tip number 6, use custom fields for key metrics. Custom fields allow project managers to track project-specific data, such as risk levels, priorities, or dependencies. By creating custom fields, you can ensure critical metrics are monitored throughout the project. To add a custom field, go to the Project tab, click Custom Fields, and configure the desired parameters. As space in the Gantt chart and other views is limited by computer displays and printer paper, shorten the column names. So, for example, predecessors can become PRED. Right-click on the header, Field Settings, and fill the blank title field. Use resource abbreviations in the resource sheet and set shortest time unit abbreviations in Options, Advanced, Display Options to save additional space. Tip number 7, create task dependencies, not fixed dates. Instead of setting fixed start and finish dates, use task dependencies as often as possible to link tasks. This dynamic approach adjusts schedules automatically based on project progress. Project supports finish to start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish dependencies. Select tasks, click the Task tab, and use the link button to establish dependencies. As always, in Microsoft Project, there are many different ways to do things, so you may want to look at alternatives for some of these suggestions and see if they work better for you. Tip number 8, save baselines to monitor progress. Saving baselines capture the project's original plan, allowing you to compare it with actual performance. This helps identify variation and manage scope creep. To set a deadline, navigate to the Project tab, select Set Baseline, and choose the entire project. Regularly updating baselines ensures accurate comparisons. Apply resource leveling to prevent overload. Resource overallocation can disrupt project timelines. Resource leveling redistributes workloads to avoid burnout and inefficiency. To apply this, go to the Resource tab and select Level All. This feature helps balance assignments, ensuring resources are used effectively without unnecessary delays. And our final tip number 10, schedule recurring tasks for regular activities. Recurring tasks save time and ensure that regular activities such as meetings and reports are consistently accounted for in the project schedule. Create recurring tasks by selecting Task, Task Information, Recurrence. Customize frequency and duration to reflect your project needs, maintaining routine activities without additional manual input. Be aware a project lacks many common sense business rules. For example, changing the project start date will not adjust constraint dates. Better, always use as soon as possible. Also, Documenting a 4x10 work schedule is possible, but project uses the calendar setup, options, schedule, calendar options when computing dates. The 4x10 schedule is just documentation. Always recheck your schedule after making changes. Beyond these tips, maintaining project success requires continuous oversight and regular reviews. Engaging stakeholders with periodic project reviews, updating schedules, adding information about actual progress, and embracing new project features can enhance planning efficiency. Project managers should strive to develop their skills through ongoing training and practical experience. Implementing these tips can help project managers optimize project usage, resulting in more accurate plans and successful project execution. Thoughtful configuration, regular monitoring, and dynamic scheduling will enable you to manage even the most complex projects confidently. Start applying these practices today to improve project outcomes and ensure consistent success. As always, thanks for watching, everyone. If you're getting value from the content, please like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you soon with another tip. Take care.